Alright, so here's a quick room tour of the Burrard. We stayed here. It's near like downtown Vancouver. So we had two beds here. They were pretty comfy. Can't complain. We had a nice view. Oh, there's an AC unit that we didn't use because it was freezing. But yeah, we had a nice view of this street here, and then this other hotel that was across that had some Christmas lights and trees. It was really pretty. And there's our TV. Coffee station. I didn't even use this, but yeah, I had espresso pods, things like that. Oh, and they had cream in the fridge, which was like really nice. I didn't think they had any, but it was in the fridge. There was a little place to hang your stuff, a little closet and mirror, and a safe, of course. Plenty of storage, and some hangers, ironing board. And then the bathroom was over here. It was cute. It was, basic bathroom. It did have shampoo and conditioner right there. So that was very convenient. The water got nice and hot. The pressure was pretty good. And then the toilets. And that's it pretty much for the bathroom. And then they had a really nice little courtyard area here in the middle. The parking was beneath, and the parking spots were really tight. And then there was even more parking below, like on the basement level. So we were scared we wouldn't get a spot if we left, but there were enough parking spots. Oh, and then there's the bike rentals. That was awesome. They had free bike rentals, which was great to tour the city. And there's like a little fire pit over there, and then they had like games and stuff. Oh, and this was across the street, just a really cute light display that was pretty that I liked.